1,000 miles begins with a single step. On our journey for this flight today, we have covered a distance of 1,335 miles. From the land of the Haka and the long white cloud to these tropical Isles of Smiles. Ladies and gentlemen, my fellow crew and I are sons and daughters of these 300 islands we call Fiji. This is our home and we warmly welcome you to our shores. This airport is in the township of Nadi, and for the benefit of our transit passengers, so you don't miss your connecting flight, the local time is 5:30 p.m. To all our visitors, this is where you put aside your watches and cell phones, for you are now on Fiji time. We are now approaching the terminal, and for your safety, it is a requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign above you is switched off. Don't check your seat pockets and overhead lockers for personal belongings, and take extra cabin opening as items may have moved during the course of the flight.